In this guide, I'll show you how to find, download, and play free-to-play games on your PS5. Start from the home screen and navigate to the PlayStation Store. Once you're there, scroll down briefly, then move back up and select Collections at the top of the page. From here, scroll all the way down to the bottom, where you'll find the Free-to-Play section. Select this option, and you'll see a range of popular free-to-play games available. Take some time to browse through the list and explore your options. When you find a game you want, simply select it, and you'll have the option to download it for free. Once you hit download, the game will automatically start downloading to your PS5. After a few moments, the game will appear on your home screen. Just wait for the download to complete, and then you'll be ready to jump in and start playing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.